Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we're making a simple Cuban picadillo. For the ingredients, we have olive oil, raisins, apple cider vinegar, pimento stuffed olives, we have some salt, we have a red onion, we have a bell pepper, we have rice, and we have 80/20 ground beef. We also have tomato sauce. In a big nonstick pan, we're going to add the ground beef and the salt. Next, we're going to toss in the onions we chopped, the bell pepper. We're going to cook and stir until the ground beef is browned. The next thing we're going to do is drain the ground beef. Now we're going to add a touch of olive oil for a little flavor. We're going to add the raisins, the olives, and tomato sauce. We're going to cook this for 5 more minutes. The vinegar, For this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.